Axon Respond for devices is our real-time situational awareness technology that gives everyone the complete picture. Respond connects the data and video from Axon Body cameras, drones, and in-car video systems to keep officers safe and command staff informed at all times. The result? True real-time situational awareness with the right information at the critical moment. And that means faster response times, greater officer and public safety, and a more efficient use of resources. How do we do it? Respond for Devices offers live maps of officer locations, both in-car and on foot, alert notifications triggered when situations escalate, camera live streaming from the ground, road, and sky. Picture this. An officer is on a call that escalates. She draws her taser smart weapon, which activates her Body 3 and alerts her supervisor through Axon Respond for Devices. Her supervisor pulls up her exact location and monitors the camera's live stream while sending backup to help. The officers resolve the situation without anyone being hurt. Everyone gets home safe. Respond for Devices is just one part of Axon Respond, our unified real-time operations platform. Combined with our modern dispatch solution and upcoming communications app, Respond offers true operational control in public safety. Find out more about Axon Respond today.